There we have a Vectrax 6 by 18 inch surface grinder. This is a manual surface grinder, 2 horsepower, 230 volt, 3 phase. It is used and it does operate, but unfortunately this shaft right here broke off. This will have to be replaced. So this is what makes the table move back and forth, as you can see. So it operates very smoothly, so there's no internal damage. It's just that this shaft right here is definitely going to need replacement. You can see where it's broke off inside the hole and right here. Okay. Other than that, all the other functions operate very nicely on here. Your X, Y, and your Z axis. Okay, here's for your wheel dresser. Okay, it doesn't include the diamond tip that's supposed to be on the wheel dresser. Just open the cover here. I'll show you. This takes a 7-inch grinding wheel. That's the arbor size. Is 1.25 inches. In any case, we're going to fire it up, show you that it does operate. Alright, so when you turn the machine on, just pull out the E-stop, the coolant pump and dust suction will turn on. That's for the coolant pump. The coolant pump is actually working. I don't know about the dust suction module. I think that what happens there is you plug it in right here in the back. You can hook up a dust collector for it. The spindle is turning. It does have a work light. And the entire unit has minimal signs of use. There's a few little paint scuffs right here, a couple scratches here and there. Nothing major. And all the electrical and mechanical functions appear to operate very well, other than the wheel here. So definitely need to get a new shaft for that. Here's the coolant tank. And we thank you for looking at our product.